thoughts so far?
They're fucking sweet.
Perfect.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now, today's video is going to be a little bit different on this beautiful Saturday. We're going to be doing a little bit more of a vlog style. So we've got a ton of stuff on the docket. We're going to be stopping by the shop. We're going to be hanging out with some buddies. We're going to be looking at some other cars, doing some driving videos. And we're also going to be doing some GTS taillights, so that's going to be interesting as well. But if you guys are new, make sure you click the subscribe button. It's an absolutely free way that you guys can support me and the channel. You guys have no idea how much it helps, so if you can, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to throw a like as well. But other than that, we're going to go ahead and jump in the car, and we'll go ahead and get started on this drive. Taking the back roads was such a good option. Ooh. Well, I cannot say that I don't love this color. Okay. Ooh, competition seats. Needs to be in a manual. Okay. What else we got in here? Ooh, E30 M3. Okay. And we got a full house. Alright guys, so we're over here at Eric's now, and John or Thick Whips is going to be installing the GTS taillights in his car. You guys know Eric has this insane 335, which is awesome, but we're going to be working through and watching them do their process. Let's see what you got so far. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. What are your thoughts so far?
They're fucking sweet.
So John and Eric just finished installing the lights and they look amazing. You can see all the details in there. And when they're actually lit up, they look even 10 times better. Take a look. So if you're interested in these taillights, you can actually find them at Keys Motorsports. I'll have a link down to their website below, as well as to John and Eric's information as well. But the fitment on these was amazing. The quality was even better. So if you guys like them, go check them out down below. So that pretty much sums it up for today. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you go down and click that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and help support me. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.